Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center, and today we're taking a look at the Benchmade 407 and 427 Vallation series of tactical folding knives. Let's check them out. The Vallation is a duty knife that's built for the everyday as well as the tactical, and it's available in two different sizes. The large is the 407, and the smaller size is the newly introduced 427 variant. And both of them feature their signature axis lock, but in an assisted opening format. For the blade, we get a harpoon-style drop point with S30V particle steel. And that harpoon tip, which Benchmade calls a mohawk spine, is good for getting behind the edge with the thumb or the index finger without the need for jimping. I really appreciate the versatility of the drop point shape on this knife because you can get just about anything done with it. Both sizes of this knife can be had with a plain edge stone-washed finish blade, or a black Cerakoted blade with a combo edge with partial serrations. The larger knife gives us about 3 5/8 of an inch to work with, and just over 3 1/8 of an inch on the small. This gives you a good option for the big bruiser, or one that's easier to carry but still robust. The handles themselves are made from aluminum, and they're black with a matte texture. It's not too slick, so it's going to be easy to hold on to. It's a very rugged finish, and it's going to wear its scuffs and scratches very nicely. We get a nice swell along the handle, which fills the hand well, and it's been scalloped out front and back, and that's great for pinch grips for more detailed work. On the large knife, the handle has plenty of length for a full grip, even if you're wearing gloves, and we've got some machined lines to keep the grip secure in that hammer hold. The Mini-Vallation has about a 3.5 finger grip in my ungloved hands. It's definitely not as roomy, but it's just enough to still get a full gorilla grip and bear down on your work. Checking out the back end of the knives, we get a reversible deep carry pocket clip, and it's got a black finish that isn't painted, so it's going to wear very nicely. We also get a carbide tipped glass breaker, furthering the utility for law enforcement and rescue personnel. As I mentioned, these knives are assisted openers and they deploy with dual thumb studs. Predictably, the mini version feels very fast to open. The full-size knives are a little bit slower, but there's always plenty of momentum to get them open. Now, these assisted versions of the axis lock lack the easy flip-closed action of the standard versions, but they're still easy to close one-handed. In addition to that crossbar-style strength of the axis lock, the Vallation also features a spine-mounted secondary safety, and this works whether the blade's open or closed. It helps prevent accidental opening in the pack or pocket, and more added peace of mind when you're working the knife hard. No matter which size you choose, the Benchmade Vallation gives you a heavy-duty tool that you can depend on, with assisted speed, secure locking, and powerful cutting abilities. Be sure to let us know what you think of these knives down in the comments, and if you want to get your hands on one, click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com. The 3 5/8 of an inch, and with assisted speed, secure locking, and oh, that was the end of the sentence, not a start of a new idea.
You have new
Who wrote this?